Hi everybody, this is Jonathan with WTI. This Logitech Pebble M350 is my favorite mouse and it's really good for multitasking. You can connect it to your devices via Bluetooth or using the receiver that comes with the mouse, but in this case, I have it here connected to my laptop. Switching between devices, it's really simple. If you press the button and you see a green light, that means that you're connected to the device that has a receiver, which in this case is a laptop. Now, of course, to be able to switch between devices, you will have to pair one of them via Bluetooth with your mouse. That is exactly what I did. If you press the button again, you're gonna see a blue light. That means I'm ready to connect and control my iPad with my Logitech mouse. The clicking on this mouse is really silent, so you're not going to bother anybody if you work in an office. The size is just perfect as it will fit in the palm of your hand, so you can take it with you anytime you're traveling. This little mouse is so convenient, and I totally recommend it to you, but that's just my point of view.